Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface. Clean thoroughly and let it dry so adhesive grabs. Once done, measure and mark key points. This ensures alignment and prevents crooked placement. Peel only a corner of the backing first, align the sticker to your marks, press that corner down, then smooth outward. Use steady, overlapping strokes to avoid bubbles. You want an even bond, press firmly along edges so it won't lift under foot traffic. Once initial placement is set, you continue by smoothing and securing. Use a squeegee or firm card and push air from the center toward the edges to prevent bubbles. This technique locks adhesive contact. Make sure to warm corners briefly if they resist. Heat softens the adhesive for a snug fit. After smoothing, press edges for 15-20 seconds. If the sticker overlaps, trim carefully. This keeps the finish tidy and prevents peeling at high traffic points. To finish, do a thorough inspection and fix minor issues. You check for bubbles and, if found, prick very small air pockets with a pin and smooth immediately. That lets trapped air escape without tearing. Make sure to let the sticker sit 24 hours before heavy traffic because the adhesive cures and strengthens. If edges lift later, reheat and press firmly. If dirt is trapped, lift carefully a corner, clean, then reapply. This gives a durable, professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.